Yes, there we go.
This is my man Merrick here, a chef here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Man, these guys are the real deal, bro. I'm telling you the shit. Man, some food this dude makes, oh my God.
Team Chef Life. Come to Jamaica. Make sure you book them.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Happy birthday! Where's the birthday girl?
One and only advanced deeply boss and a big up Chef Life, you know.
This looks amazing. Thank you.
I don't know RG150. I represent Chef Life JA. Say break.
Chef_Life. Please, guys, try the food. Bad. Not gonna start. Come on, the road, man.
That's it.
Dear Heavenly Most Gracious Father, thank you for waking us up this morning. Thank you for bringing us here safely. Thank you for the traveling grace that you have given us. Thank you for this amazing food. Thank you for the hands that have prepared it. Thank you for giving Brianna 30 years of life. And I wish her many more. Amen.
Amen.
I was speaking on that one before. That's why I stole it back. I'm like, nah, I can't do this.
Girl, I want to knock it down.
Go hold you, bro. I was looking at that bro. Nobody saw that shit. Nah, the way he just told me was crazy.
What happened?
Yo, I was looking at one of the wings, right? So
Oh my God.
I seen him pick it up. I'm like, nah, I can't let him take it, bro.
Did everybody get away? Yeah, everybody get away.
Oh my God. Alright, so we're in ochoriostown. Yay! I don't know say our Team Chef Life out here, you know, we are
And the sun art.
Sun Art sign block away, but it's good.
Welcome to Ochoriostown.
Oh my God. Yeah, I'll be a problem. Say people say though that we're going shopping right now, you know, we are here providing service for our clients, you know. Yay! At where be the name again? Tranquility Times Villa, yay. Located here in Stmary, not in Ochi. That may I say. Yes, I'm going to show you which part to locate. Oh my God. Yay! When I want to look. Say people, remember to tell a friend. Sun hot. I can't sorry for you and buy one car. Oh my God. Tell them, man. Yeah, I'm sorry for it. I'm buy one car. Oh my God. Yay! But we are going to Tour Road, Ochi right now. So yeah, we are going shopping. We got the supermarket name. I don't remember what supermarket name because they're not sponsor. Alright, wherever she says she give name. So yeah, people, remember, if you have not hit that subscribe button, please do hit that subscribe button, alright? Yay!
Like, share, and subscribe.
Oh my God! Alright.
Welcome to Ochoriostown. So we're on the highway going to Champion's supermarket. And please to sponsor us because we're giving you a shout out on our platform. Yep. Yeah. Champions!
See, we're going to a local supermarket today. Go grab your items and we're going to use it tomorrow. Brunch, lunch, and food. Yeah, we're going to buy the stuff them are rainforest. Lobster, oh my God, shout out to rainforest. Rainforest is sponsor. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, oh my God, welcome back. Sit down. I do some Asian barbecue tomorrow. Yeah, for them dinner, along with some lobster. You can say, oh my God, see. Yeah, so we're currently going to grab all the items for brunch and their lunch for takeout and also for dinner.
Small one. So much. Sorry.
Alright, so you don't want to say we don't know shopping and we are cut out. Yo, in a real life, no joke. So yeah, do it now. Alright, so yeah, we're there ochorios bus park, you understand? Yeah. And tell you the truth, I forgot, drink off my jelly already. You understand? Yeah. So yo, we're getting some free. We support Rasta, we support the locals, you understand? So you see, you come like Ocho bus park, to the right hand corner, on your left hand side coming in, alright? Oh my god. And don't forget to line them now, support the landlady from Spanish Town. Yeah? Yeah. Oh my god.
And snacks.
Hold on, man. Go stand up. Make sure you stand up. Get this. Oh my god, that is nice. Yeah, just let me know how much I have for you, alright? Yeah, man, and big up a lady from Spain. Oh, talk to me, people. Talk to people.
Snacks and juice and milk and
all the good stuff there.
all the good things.
Oh my, so tell the people what your name now. You have to tell the people what your name. Tell the people.
Debbie.
Oh my god. Say hello to my nice viewers, Debbie. Oh my god.
Yeah, one love.
True. You are Kevin.
One. You see it?
That's a code.
Yeah, man, that's a code, man. You don't know me, I'm a friend. Up on the coast side, I mash up a sitting. You see it? Like, people feel nice.
Watch.
Go on where I go on.
True. Yeah, so you know that we're heading back to our villa at Tranquility Times Villa, you know, located in Battle site, you know, Stmary. Yeah, so this is the direction, so they'll just journey with us and let's head back to Tranquility Times Villa. Oh my god, right in a Stmary there, so you don't know, probably want like a 10 minutes drive from out of Ochoriostown. Oh my god, you know, and I'm very far, and then you'll be driving past nice white river and all these nice beautiful local spots, you know, for you to stop and try. Yay! And enough rivers over this other river side. Yeah. So yeah, people, say, oh, come on, let's journey with us back to the villa, okay? Yeah. Oh, and before I forgot, yeah, if you're new to the channel, you know, and you're just visiting, you know what I'm saying, please remember to drop a comment and hit that thumbs button. I don't know, yeah, help the channel grow a lot, and subscribe to the channel, share and tell a friend about the best personal chef service. Alright, and if you're interested in booking my service, just send me an email, man. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, so now we're at Battle site, you understand? Oh my god, it's a nice gate. Hello, Siki. Yeah, it's a nice gated community. It's really secure and safe. You know, if your name is not at the gate, you cannot enter this community. Alright, we're gonna make a right turn right here. Oh my god, funny also. Oh my god, it's beautiful, right? Yeah, and then you know, I say people say it's really safe and secure. Remember, link to book this location will be in the description. Alright, yay, and welcome to the nice battle site. It seems like they used to fight one bag of battle over this place, you know. Yeah, so the British and Spanish did fight one battle here in the 16th century, you know what I say, oh my god, yay, I don't know and say, oh, the British was and win the thing, yeah, so that's why them call it battle site, you know what I say, reign over battle site, yeah, oh my god, so man, come on people, let's welcome to Tranquility Times. my God! Yay! Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service with Chef Life JA. So you don't know, say with a Tranquility Times, you know what I'm saying, Villa, providing some service for some excellent people. Yeah. Oh my God! Catch a view, my people. Gonna see that? You all see that? And I don't know what you all waiting on to book this location. Alright, link to book this location will be in the description. So please tell a friend about the Rasta Chef Service. Okay? Oh my God! It's Personal Chef Service, you understand? No joke about it. So as you can see, you'll be definitely seeing what I did for their early morning breakfast, you know what I'm saying? Alright, if you have not hit that subscribe button, please do so, okay? Yay! Alright. Beautiful.
I can eat it. I can eat it. It's fine. It's garlic. We got it on Chef of the Week, yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Oh, thank you! Oh, you're so
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh.
Close your eyes, take up the most gracious Father, Lord. Thank you for another amazing day. Thank you for bringing
Merrick, smile. No. Try to do something.
Yeah, man.